What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today this video is a little bit different. I'm doing a review on one of my favorite tools that I use to trade. It's called Magic Keys. It's a risk management, trade management software tool product that I use to manage my trades. It works with MetaTrader and C-Trader. So it works with both MetaTrader 4 and 5 and C-Trader. So the version that I'm using is this is actually the software version. I bought this thing quite a few years ago, around maybe 2020, 2022 thereabout. Yeah, man, I think it was around 2022 that I bought this, and it is one of the best tools that I bought to trade with. To be honest, it's worth the price, especially if you are a person that does a lot of scalping in and out of trades, that type of stuff. Then it works pretty decent, I must admit. So this tool, it has quite a lot of features, and I'm going to go through and show you. So this is the website. Let me see if I can. This is the website. This is what it looks like. So there is a page where you can go and buy it. So see, it is showing you where it's compatible with let me find this tool that I use to mark up the screen. So it's compatible with both Windows and Mac, and it works with MetaTrader 4, 5, and C-Trader. So it's a pretty decent and cross-compatible tool, as I was saying earlier. This thing does everything. You can set multiple trades, multiple stop loss. So this is what it looks like on the charts. It helps you to manage your risk in terms of setting a particular risk to reward. So you are able to risk by one, either by a dollar amount, a percentage of the account, or you can risk by a percentage of your equity. I think there are three options here where you can risk. You can set multiple triggers. You can set it to auto break even. Quite a few stuff that you are able to do with this thing. You can set even limit orders, and it sets the risk management. So this is the website. It caps your risk management and set it to a point where it's almost impossible for you to literally just go into a trade and blow the account once you configure it properly. I've been wanting to do a review on this thing for some time, but you know, I guess this is the time that I finally decided to do it. So this button here, so this is the tool right here. So multiple buttons. This can go auto break even. This button is the one that you use to initiate the trade, and this is the one that you use to confirm the trade. You can double the orders. These two buttons control the chart. These ones they use to input. Oh, so you can risk by a pip amount as well. So that was the next thing. So you can input the risk as well as you can program it to a certain amount. So this allows you to manage multiple trades. I don't think the software version allows you to manage multiple accounts, but I think the hardware one allows you to. So you can switch between buying and selling here. This set a market pending order, and this one just does straight market orders execution, instant execution. This one shows stats. This button here you use to enter for when you're setting partial TPs or anything like that. And this one I use to change the amount that you want to close. Say you reach halfway into a trade, you use this to close. Pretty self-explanatory. It takes a bit of getting used to. You'd have to just go on a demo account, set it up, and use it from there. So these are the features. So if you go here, everything is on the website that you can actually do. There's a full demo showing you every single button. So there's, you can actually go through, and then you have to test it, get used to it, and then now you determine if this thing is for you. But I've been using it for a couple of years now, and I must admit I don't have any regrets whatsoever. To be honest, if it wasn't for this thing, I possibly would have blown my account already, because your risk is all over the place, especially when the markets are volatile. Like, this thing is really cool for just helping you to execute right there and then and setting the risk. So even when the market is literally spiking up and down, whatever you set the risk to, only in extreme cases then it wouldn't manage the trades properly. But trust me, this has been like a really cool tool to um, mess around with, to be honest. Like, I have absolutely no regrets. um, so this button, like I was showing you, you use to open calc. Currently I have it set to risk. Here you can control the risk parameters, so I program these into it. So I have 0.13 of a percent, quarter percent, half a percent, and a full 1%. If you want to risk more, then you can program those into it, but this is currently my risk management strategy. Now, like I said, when the market is moving in, there's also a feature that allows you to. So let me remove it from market pending and switch it to live market. I can lock the price, so when the market is moving like this, it's actually moving the stop loss with the price. You know, over here there's a nice little toggle where you can see. Let me move this thing. So there's a nice little toggle in the corner right here that shows you how many trades you take for the day. So I can cap the amount of trades, and it literally prevents you from over trading. It caps by either the percentage risk or the number of trades physically. So if you lose a certain amount, you can basically lock out, or if you gain a certain amount, you can set it to lock out as well, which is pretty decent for
Order filled.
traders. You know, pretty decent. So that that is one of the best features about it. I mean, you still can manually override and still take your trades here, but if you disable this and just using this, trust me, it's almost impossible to blow an account. So that is for the risk management in terms of market orders. So even to just measure risk to reward, it automatically calculates it. So see, say for instance, I have this trade here. Say I have this order block right here, and I want to take a buy trade here. I could easily set a pending order right there, the TP, because I set it to like 1 to a lot, then it's going to set there. But see, this is a easy 1 to 4 trade based on the stop loss here, limit order, or I can just manually enter right here with the same risk management tool, you know. So this is a pretty decent tool, like I said. Even when the market is moving fast, as long as you're patient and you're willing to test it like on a demo account, because I'm on a live challenge now, so I won't enter any trades. But this is for like a buy trade, and it's the same thing. These lines, you can drag them all over the chart. So this one is for like a sell trade now. I put the entry there. This is the entry at the black line here, and this is the TP. This is the stop loss right here. It doesn't matter the time frame. Like I said, you can use this thing to either zoom in, zoom out of the chart. Um, Let me go in and show you some of the settings. So this is what is actually putting um, these things at the top here. So this is the thing that's actually counting the amount of pips and all of that. Let me enter here. So let me remove all of this. So there's a bunch of features and settings here that you can use to set up the risk management. As I say, you'd have to sit and go through it. If you guys want me to do a tutorial how to set it up, configure it for different brokers or for different instruments that I trade, because the settings is a little different for gold and then a little different for like the indices and a little different for Forex, and it even works with the volatility index. It works with the volatility index indices. So as I said, like it's a bunch of features here that you have to tweak and configure. You can change the color of the lines and thickness and all of that. But the most important thing is the risk management, and it automatically sets a stop loss and a take profit to get you in and out of trades safely. So this is just a quick review. As I said, let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do a more in-depth review of this tool. If you want me to show you how to set it up, how to add it to the charts and all of that, and I will gladly do that. Until next time guys, this is me signing out. Peace.